April. We are about to do our machine giveaway. I have opted to just record rather than go live. I'm not able to go live today. So I wanted to come on and make sure that you guys watch the drawing. You had a chance to win a Cricut Explore 3. Please check back on the giveaway tab. It says machine giveaway right now. That may change to just giveaway at a later date. It will be the same page. Make sure that you're coming in here and you're checking on what giveaways are going on and our monthly challenges. The monthly challenges are done each month. They start on the 1st of the month and they're drawn on the 3rd Saturday of the month. Those are going to be moving to Rafflecopter. I've been doing the drawing and you guys post something on Facebook, but I'm thinking of doing it just a little bit different so that you have a heads up for October, and I will put everything in and post it up for you guys on this monthly challenge. So every so often we do machine giveaways, and those will always be posted here. Like I said, that may just change to giveaway in the title up here, but it will be the same page. And here is where you entered to win that Cricut Explore 3 that Cricut was so gracious to give away to a lucky winner today. Also, I have a drawing going on over here to win a Zoom meeting. And what that is on Patreon, we have a Crafting with April Zoomers tier. And we get together once a week whenever we're able to, and we craft together. We learn Designspace. We look at projects, and our members on that tier, they get to pick the projects that they want to learn how to create in Designspace, and we design them, and we cut them, and we put them together. So make sure that you come over and join in on this giveaway and jump in there to get a chance to getting a seat to one of those meetings. I would love to see you there. So let's pop over to Rafflecopter, and I am going to have to blur this out because I don't want to give anybody's personal information, only their name. So I will blur out any personal information. You will not be able to see that, and then I will post it up and show you the winner over on the page. So I am going to now draw for a random winner, and that looks like Spencer Dirks. Refresh and see if that pops up. And there it is, Spencer D. Congratulations. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Please give a thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.